Pizza Roto is a fast casual pizza concept. You can come in, build your own pizza and salad the way you want it, and you get it fast.
So when the guest comes in, they go down there at the start. They can order one of the pizzas we've created, or they can build your own. So Addie's down there, she'll press out your dough. We press out all our dough by hand. And then they kind of walk down the line and pick their toppings. So they can eat it. So they're making a margarita pizza right now. Or they could just kind of choose their toppings as they go.
We do everything by hand, and when it goes into that oven, it's still fresh, and when it comes out, it's light and crispy and ready to eat. And with any of the specialty pizzas, you can customize them any way you want. You can add or subtract or make it however you want it. With sauces, we have around 45, which makes about 34 million different combinations of pizza you can get.
Fast casual is really kind of growing. It's a growing segment of the restaurant industry. And these places are kind of popping up around the country, and we wanted to kind of get in here and be the first in this area to do something like this.
We offer salads. There's a couple different options. You can choose between spring mix and romaine, and the sky's the limit on the salad. You can put anything you want on it, and we have about 6 dressings that you can choose from. Pizza salad, you start off with a pizza crust and top it with olive oil and Parmesan, and then you build your own salad. And when the crust is done baking, you put your salad right on top of it and eat it like a pizza. If I personally come here, I'm going to get the I'm in a meeting pizza, which is red sauce, mozzarella cheese, sausage, pepperoni, and crumbled meatballs. It's my favorite.
The secret is that you can make it however you want, and it's your pizza. It's not ours, it's yours.